Hello. I thought I would do a video on making this bracelet. It has the 10 double crochets into a shell with the beads along the edge. So for this video, I am using these longer beads on a pearl cotton, and I'm using a size 2.25 hook. To begin, let's chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then slip stitch into the first chain, I think I pulled that last chain a little too tight. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the ring, add 10 double crochets. I'm going to be going over my tail while I do it onto the ring. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you have the one shell, and it's going to take up half of the ring. Now we're going to chain 10 again, and we're going to make another ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to slip stitch in the top of the top 2 stitches of the last double crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then onto the ring, we're going to single crochet, and then slide that single crochet over to the double crochet, and then turn your work. When you turn your work, the new loop that you created is going to be getting the new double crochets. So we're going to leave this one behind. We're going to go on to this one. So 10 double crochets, 1, 2, let's get my tail out of the way, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is what we have so far. Okay, now to start our third ring, we're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I thought I'd have enough, but I keep having to pull it out. Sorry. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the top of the double crochet through all 3 loops. Notice we have our new loop here. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now on the loop with the double crochets, you want to single crochet and then snug it up to the double crochet. Now turn your work, and here's our new loop. We're going to do 10 double crochets. So basically we're repeating this. So with each ring that you make, you're going to be putting 10 double crochets on it. Go ahead and do that so that you have 8 total rings, and I'll meet you there. All right, so I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And at the end here, we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in part of the first ring, which is the chain 10, we're going to do a double crochet 3 together. So basically we're going to do a double crochet halfway. So we have now we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over through 2 loops again. Yarn over through 2 loops again. And you'll have the 4 loops on the hook, and you want to bring it all the way through. And there we have our DC 3 together. Now to add our beads, this is going to be something you're not familiar with, but it's what works. You want to enlarge your loop and bring your work through the loop and then tighten it down. Hear me out now. I know it's not something you normally do, but in order for us to have the beads without yarn going through it, that way you can slide your one bead down. Okay? So next thing we're going to do is we're going to wrap twice on the hook, and then we're going to start another double crochet 3 together. Now this initial right here is this if you had a loop on the hook. So you want to go through just the 2, another half double crochet, and one more half double crochet. So now we have the 4 loops on the hook, and let's bring it all through. Okay, and then going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then count over 6 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 6th one we're going to make a single crochet, picking up the top 2 loops of that 6th double crochet, and then make a single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and as we did before, we're not on this one's going to be the next row, we're on this row. We want to do the double crochet 3 together, which basically is like making a 3 double crochet cluster. I'm using a boy hook, and what I don't like about it is the shaft gets thinner here, and I have a bad habit of pulling my tension. I usually use Susan Bates hooks. I know I have excuses, don't I? Okay, so now we're going to hold our work, loosen the loop, pull our work through the loop, and then go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, since I'm right-handed, my other bead should be on the right side. And let's get another bead here. I forgot to tell you, you're supposed to load your beads before you start crocheting. I put 8 beads on because I have 8 loops here. So here we go with our bead here. So we're going to wrap it twice, keep it kind of tight, and do a 3 double crochet 3 together. Okay, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as we did before, on the 6th double crochet, you want a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, picking up the top 2 loops, single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to repeat this down to the end. So I'll meet you there. Remember to do your 3 double crochet together, add your bead, and chain 4 single crochet. Alright, we've gotten to the end, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beads on one side. You'll notice on the other side we'll have the same 4 beads. So here at the corner I've chained 5, even though we have 4 in the middle. When you come to the end, chain 5, and then you'll single crochet in the top of that last double crochet, and then you'll chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then as you turn around, turn your work to the other side, you'll have the beads on the bottom. We're going to do the double crochet 3 together right here. So as we continue down to the other side, as you get all the way down here to this end, when you finish this last single crochet, you'll chain 5 and do a slip stitch into the last double crochet here, and then you'll finish off. This hole's big enough that you can slide a button through, and you can sew one on the other end, or you can have one on this end. So I will show you what mine will look like when I'm finished, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, I'm at the end. You know, I said before on the last video how to finish it, but I'm going to show you. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right here do a slip stitch, and then cut the thread and pull it through. So what we have here is our little scallop bracelet. Need to weave in the ends. And I'm going to find a button that I can attach. This will be the hole for it, and I can sew it on this end down here. Alright, thank you for watching.